Oh, so salty. Okay, stop. What's the taste of balot? Yummy? Yummy or not?
Don't know how to eat.
Eat na lang. Eat ka lang. Crispy. It's yummy.
Is there more there?
More na. Don't eat the
Look at
sisig.
this thing.
What's that?
Sisiu.
Ano, baby duck.
It's a sisiu.
Baby
Look
duck.
at this thing.
Baby duck.
It's food.
I have you, baby duck.
But it's already dead. Why would you eat it?
Is it yummy? Tintin? More na. What about you, Christoph? You don't like the balot?
And you get you.
What's that? What's that? Ay, Christine, enough.
I will feed her. Tapos ang spoon mo?
Pag boy, ano ba pag ginagamit?
Eat your vegetable.
What are you doing?
Ha?
Hindi mo pa sobra ng balot.
No! Where is it? Where is the vegetable? You dropped it!
Bye na, bye guys na, bye.
Bye bye guys!